A very good morning to all of you. Children, am I audible to you all? Okay. So, Varuna, where are you? Please raise your hand. Varuna Lakmani. I think she has not attended the class till yet. Okay, so children, that day on Friday, many of you have asked some questions. 4 or 5 students had asked a question regarding that chapter, determiner, and some more about determiners. So who had asked that day? I did not give reply. I did not listen their query that day because time was up. Who had asked? Raise your hand fast. Varuna has written the name, but she has not attended the class. Yes, Varuna?
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning, Beta. Beta, I told you to write the names, no?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Janvi Nigam, Janvi Tripathi, Ayush Pandey.
Beta, one by one. Janvi Nigam, raise your hand. Janvi Nigam, raise your hand fast. Beta, next.
Miss Janvi Nigam and Janvi Tripathi.
Janvi Tripathi, raise your hand. Why you people are not raising the hand? Janvi Tripathi. Yes, Anand.
Miss, I have to ask.
Beta, you just a second, Varuna. Anand's name was there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Yes, Anand.
Miss, I have to ask. Third definite determiner, the is also used G
Point
in comparative construction.
page number.
Miss, page number 14.
Which point? Point number G.
Yes, ma'am.
Comparative construction. This one. Beta, when we do comparative construction, so it takes THAN then. For doing comparison, we use then. But if you do we use THAN. What, Anand?
Okay, ma'am.
But instead of using then, if we are using or we are doing comparison without using the word then. Okay, so we will use the, for example, he is the cleverer of the two. Here, cleverer is showing comparative degree only. Here, somebody is doing comparison, but he is not using the word then. Instead of then, he is using of.
Okay.
Now in second example, the more he gets, the more he wants. Now see, more again is there. More is comparative degree.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
again comparison is made without the word, then again the same thing happening. Got it?
Okay. Okay.
Yes, anyone else? Yes, Varuna, next.
Miss Surbhi, Lavanya, Ayush Pandey.
Surbhi. Yes, Surbhi. Surbhi, raise your hand. Even I remembered that I told Varuna to write names of some children who had to ask some questions that day. But you people today are not raising the hand. Yes, Varuna, after Surbhi, whose name is there?
Miss Lavanya.
What?
Lavanya.
Lavanya. Yes, Lavanya. Varuna only.
And Miss Ayush Pandey.
Ayush Pandey.
Yes, ma'am.
Ayush Pandey. Yes, Disha.
Miss, I was asking that can you explain me the use of each and every?
Beta, can you please repeat it again?
Miss, can you explain me the each and every?
Each and every uses of each and every. Each and every are determinants. Each we use with individual one. If we are using one by one for denoting one by one for individually, so we use it. Okay, but if we use in a group, if we use or if we denote to many people in group, so we use every. And one more thing, each and every, these both determiner always take singular verb with itself. Each boy is there, every boy is there. Okay,
Okay,
every
Miss.
boy is there because each means all the linking word, all the main verb always is in singular only.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, beta. Yes, Pooja.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, beta.
Ma'am, I don't understand a few, the few.
Okay, few, a few, the few we use with countable. Okay, few shows the meaning of almost nothing.
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose here one, two, three are there, but I have half. Okay, so with this we use few. A few, nothing. So I have substance.
Yes, ma'am.
If Samasya and I have all four sticks with myself. These four sticks are currently now with myself. So it is the
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
children, just a second. Yes, Mohammed Abar. Beta, what is the pronunciation of your name? Yes, you only. Even I can only see Mohammed. Yes, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself fast. Unmute yourself. Ayushman.
Morning, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, we will use the incountable or uncountable noun.
What one?
Ma'am, we will use the determiner, ma'am, in countable or in
The you can
uncountable.
use with countable. The you can use with uncountable. Only you know the means uses. Suppose Ganga, rivers, names of river is countable. Okay, so we are using the. Okay, and just like few of you means the uses of this all. If something is uncountable, but that is particularly coming in the point of use of the, so you will use the also.
And we will use the, ma'am, countable also and uncountable also.
Yes, see, many uses are there. That is why many uses have been given. The is your definite determiner. Okay, with definite thing only we will use. So if suppose it is showing uncountable, but if it is showing definite thing, so we can use that.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Kumari Sakshi.
Hello.
Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Good morning.
Miss, I can't understand much and many.
Much and many. Much we use with uncountable. Many we use with countable. Here are two chalks. Means 1.5, not 2. So 1.5 is countable, so we can use many. Okay, but if suppose here I can get only dust, so dust is uncountable, so there we will use much. Okay,
Thank you.
okay, beta. Yes, Swarnima.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Miss, I can't understand any.
Any.
Yes.
Any we use in negative sense. If the sense is coming of negative, so we use any. Okay. Or suppose if you are confused with that, whether the answer may be yes, whether the answer may be
Your
no.
voice is not coming.
My voice is clear, children. Okay. So if actually the weather is not good, it is good, but not for taking online classes.
Yes.
Yes, beta. So any we use if you are in dilemma that the answer is yes or no, so that time you use any also.
Okay, ma'am.
With
Thank you, ma'am.
it is used. Okay, beta. Yes, Unnati.
Miss, I don't understand use of determiner in comparative construction.
When we do comparative construction, when we do comparison, you know,
Yes, sir.
when we use comparative degree, so we use for making constructive comparison without then. If most probably when we do comparison, so we use THE and then no.
Yes.
But if you do comparison without using the word then you use the.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, Komal. Komal.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Miss, I can't understand many, and because when you were explaining a student, then I think my network was poor, so I can't understand. That's why I raised hand. Sorry, ma'am, I have to trouble you. You explained them also.
Okay, so should I explain it again?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, use of many, no? Beta, many we use with countable things. The thing which we can count, with those things we always use many. For example, many students are asking questions. So I can count, suppose number of the students is 186. Wow, many students are attending the class. So suppose 186 students are asking the question. Okay, so I can count that. Komal.
Yes, ma'am, you can count it.
Yes, beta. So with countable things, we use many.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Beta. Yes. Muhammad Amar, 7th F. 29.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning. What is the pronunciation of your name?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, Muhammad Ammar.
Ammar. Okay. A-double-M-A-R. No?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I can't understand the use of determinate sum.
Determinate sum. Determinate sum we use with countable as well as uncountable things. We use this in positive sense. When we know the answer is positive, so we use sum. With countable noun we can use them. With uncountable we use them. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, Gaurav.
Good morning, Miss.
Very good morning, beta.
Miss, I have not understood little, a little, and the little.
Little, a little, the little we use with uncountable things. Okay, with uncountable thing, the thing which we cannot count, with those things we always use little, a little, the little.
Okay,
Suppose,
Miss, and I have to ask one more.
let me explain. Suppose there is a cup and in the cup there is no tea. Okay, so with that you use little tea. There is little tea in the cup. It means there is no tea, or suppose only few drops are there, 2 or 3. So that then you can use. Now a few. A little. A little is suppose the cup is filled with half cup of tea. If you can see half cup of tea only, so a little amount we are getting. Okay, very few some. So we use a little. Now, if the cup is filled with tea, so we use the little. Means almost according to the capacity of the cup it is filled. Is it clear, Gaurav?
Yes, Miss, and Miss, one more thing. Miss, I want to know that with Gorakhnath temple, we can use the.
With the name, what I told, with the name of temple, church, and etc. If you go, suppose if you are using only name for as it is showing particular, so you can use. But if you are going there, if suppose the Miss who is working there, okay, who has duty in Gorakhnath temple, so if the person is going on daily basis, so he will not use the. But if you go to Gorakhnath temple for visiting purpose, for your primary purpose, so you can use the. For example, I'm going to the Gorakhnath temple for praying. So here we are going for primary purpose. We are going only for some time, so we can apply the.
Okay, Miss.
Okay.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, beta. Everyone listen. Beta, use of the is very confusing, isn't it? Sometimes we use, sometimes we don't use. So it is only based on your practice. Okay. And according to the time, it changes also. So if after 2 or 3 years you will get something new, so don't think that that time we taught, teacher has taught a wrong thing. Or if you got something new, so don't think that that time only the teacher who is teaching, he or she is teaching wrong. Okay, so it is changed. There are many changes in uses of the. Yes, Utkarsh? Sonakshi, please wait.
Yes.
Yes.
Good morning, Miss.
Yes, Utkarsh.
Miss, I have to ask. Miss, I have to ask the same question with Gaurav.
Okay, did you get?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, beta. Yes, Sonakshi.
I want to ask this first one. Determiner the is omitted before a proper noun. So here it is said that, but we say the Chauhans are coming over. So here it is written in the bracket. Yes, it is page number 15.
The is omitted before a proper noun. He was born in Mumbai. So what is here? Which one is proper noun here?
Ma'am, Mumbai.
Mumbai. So as it is a proper noun, as it is a particular name given to someone or something. So that is why we will omit, we will not use the. Now second, but we say the Chauhan. Beta, the Chauhans, it is denoting toward the common noun. See here, the Chauhans. Okay. Proper noun is always carry a singular one, but Chauhans, did you get the meaning?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta.
Okay, thank you.
Anushka?
Miss, I can't understand a few, the few.
Few, the few. I have given the example. Suppose there are 4 sticks. Okay, but here
Yes.
currently I have only half a stick. So a very little amount I have. Okay, the meaning
Yes, ma'am.
almost nothing here. So with this we use few. Now the second is 4 sticks are there and I have 2 sticks. So some sticks out of 4 I have 2 sticks. I have some sticks. So with this we use a few. Now 4 are there and according to the capacity of this 4 sticks, I have all the 4 sticks with myself. So here we use the few. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Kaushiki.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, I have joined 10 minutes late because of network problem. So, ma'am, can you explain what you have teach in the first 10 minutes?
I did not teach anything till yet. Any new thing is not there. Only they are asking their query.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Akansha.
Good morning, ma'am. Miss, I was having the same query with Janushka.
Okay, so did you get?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Yes, Anubhav.
Good morning, Miss.
Good morning, beta.
Miss, during exam, hello, Miss.
Yes.
Miss, in exam, writing definition will come.
Definition. Did you get any definition to write in class 6?
No, Miss.
You will not get, but definition you must know. Even till now, even most probably you know the definition of all parts of the speech. That is mandatory part. Yes, Devesh. Yes, Devesh Pratap.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, when will our exam will be held?
Beta, your class teacher will inform. Miss, according to your syllabus, according to the portion, miss, it is given in syllabus, I think from 26 onwards, no?
Yes, ma'am.
26. But suppose if it is not happening, it is not started from 25th or 26th. So within 1 week it will be started. I'm not sure. We are not sure.
Miss, we can take time late also for exams.
Yes, what happened?
Miss, it can take late also. It can become late also our exams.
No, beta, means suppose if it is not started from 26 onwards, so within 1 week it will start. Not after
Ma'am,
that.
thank you, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Yes, Nayan.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning.
Ma'am, when will our copies be submitted?
Your copy will be submitted till 2022.
Ma'am, our exam timetable when we will get?
After till 25, till 23 or 24 you will get.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Swarnima.
Good morning, Miss. Miss, my brother was telling that his computer sir has told him that exam has postponed and it will be from 1 August.
In which class he is?
Miss 10th class.
10th class. So he is, what is his name?
Miss Vedant Srivastava.
Okay. So beta, he has good exam. That is why I told we are not sure. But before 3 August it will start. Before 3 August I told. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Lavanya.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning.
Miss, in portion in letter writing, Miss, for in first semester informal letter will come.
What happened?
Miss, in letter writing, in this semester informal letter will come.
In first semester you will get informal. In second you will get formal. In third you can get informal or formal. Even I don't know. Okay. Okay, children. So, did you complete the exercise part of that chapter, determinant, and some more about determinants? Okay, so good. So, let's begin with the new chapter, comprehension. As you know, in all the 3 semesters, we get the very first question, comprehension. When you get the question paper of English one, so the very first question always you get, that is comprehension. Okay, so similarly in class 7, as you are going to give your first semester examination very soon, so you will get the first question as comprehension. In comprehension, I want to tell you what are the things that you must have to learn, what are the things that you must have to remember. So, in class 6, you got comprehension from the book only, I guess. From the book only you got comprehension. But in class 7, you people are not going to get comprehension from your book. It will come from another side. It will come from outside of the book. Is it clear? Okay, so comprehension you will not get from your book, but it will come from outside of the book. So all the comprehension which is given in your book, that is only for your practice purpose. Okay, you will not get any comprehension from the book in class 7, whether it is first semester, second semester or third semester. In all the 3 semesters, you are going to get comprehension from outside of the book. Now, first thing, comprehension. Comprehension is a noun. Comprehension is a noun which is made up of the verb comprehend. Now, meaning of comprehend is understand. Meaning is to understand. Okay. Meaning of comprehension is to understand. So basically, comprehension is totally based on your understanding. How much you understand, that much you perform. And that much you perform, you will get marks in the examination. Suppose you know there are 5 questions in comprehension. And each question will give you 3 marks. Everyone knows this? These are the common things. Pooja, do you know? In comprehension, you will get 5 questions and each question will give you 3 marks. So 5 into 3, it will provide you 15 marks. And it is 100% sure that it will give you 15 marks. Okay. So if you understand what is saying in the comprehension, so you will easily acquire 15 marks. Now, when you see a comprehension, it may be a prose, it may be a poetry. Comprehension may be prose, or maybe poetry. If you are getting prose, so it is a story only. It is just like essay, it is just like paragraph writing, it is just like a story. But if you get poetry, so it is basically based on poem. Okay. Yes, children, we always say poem. Isn't it? We say poem. But the actual pronunciation is poem. It is, yes, it is not poem. Manya knows. Okay, even I say poem, I know the correct pronunciation, but also I say poem. It is poem only. Because if I say poem, so many of you will start laughing or you will think, what is she saying? Okay, so the correct pronunciation of poem is poem. Yes, E is silent there. Now, if you get comprehension may be of prose, comprehension may be of poetry. So prepare all the exercises which is given in your book. Yes, Varuna? Yes, Varuna?
Miss, the board is not clear.
Which word?
Miss, the board is not clear.
Okay, board is not clear. I have written only beta comprehension is of two types. Prose, poetry. If you get prose, so it is based on stories. Okay. If you get poetry, so it is based on poem only.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, beta. Yes, children, please wait. What happened? My voice is not clear. Board is not clear. Okay, Aditi.
Miss, your video is not coming.
My video is not coming. My video is not coming. It is
No,
coming.
ma'am.
Beta, it is coming. They are saying it is coming. Please change your place. Change the room.
Okay.
Yes, Lavanya, what happened to you?
Miss, your voice is not coming. Hello?
My voice is also clear. Mane is showing thumbs up.
No, miss.
Beta,
Hello?
please change your place.
Okay, miss.
Especially the children who are using Airtel. Please change your place. If you are sitting inside, so please change your place, or better to take hotspot who is using Jio, because the network of Airtel nowadays is not good. Okay, Divyansh? Okay, beta. So for comprehension, when you see a comprehension, so very first thing that you have to read the comprehension. First, read the comprehension. 2 times you have to read the comprehension. I'm telling you a trick. How can you get 15 marks? So for getting 15 marks, first 2 times read comprehension. Okay. After that, after comprehension, questions are there. 5 questions. So suppose the question number A. After reading comprehension 2 times, come and read question number A. Read question number A and find out the keywords from the comprehension. Okay. Suppose if in question you get birthplace. If suppose in question you get birthplace, so go to the comprehension and read and find out the keyword, the same keyword, birthplace, in which line you are getting. Suppose you got that line which has birthplace, it is mentioned over there, so that will be your answer. The complete line will be your answer. Or suppose 1 line or 2 lines before that particular line can also be the part of answer. Okay. So write the answer, but while writing the answer, don't copy the answer from comprehension only. Don't copy the lines which is given in comprehension. Frame your own lines. Okay. For writing the answers of comprehension, always follow of your lines. Form your lines and write that lines in your own words only. In easy language, for writing the answer, always use easy language and your own words. Don't copy the lines which is given in comprehension. That is the most important thing, and many of you do this mistake. You people do what? Means the thing which is given in comprehension, just simply you follow that thing only. Simply you copied the line only. But children, please don't do this. See the answer, try to write that particular answer, the particular line, but in your own words. Change the language. Don't change the word, don't change the meaning, but change the language. Change the writing style. Okay? So suppose like this, then you come on question number B. Again, you read the question, find out the keyword which is given in comprehension. Then you do the same thing. Likewise, write all the 5 answers. Okay? Now, after writing answers, please do one thing. Just go through again each and every answer. One by one, when you have completed all the answers, then again come on question number A. Again read the answer A. If suppose for your proofreading, only just do proofreading. If you get some mistake, suppose there may be the grammar mistake, there may be spelling error. So if suppose you are getting anything like that as a part of mistake, so just make it clear. Okay. So clear your mistake over there. Then you have then you can complete your comprehension part. Comprehension is very easy. It is totally based on your understanding. And if you give the correct answer, so easily out of 95, you will get 50 marks. And only you have to do work for 80 marks. And for 80 marks, you have to learn the things. Okay? Okay, Karan? Okay. Now, it is 9-4. And for this semester, as I told you, you will not get comprehension from inside the book, but for your practice purpose, I am giving 2 comprehension. For only your practice purpose, choose the answer, write the answers in the book only. Don't do any comprehension part in your copy. Okay? So, comprehension A and D. This A and D, you have to do practice of comprehension A and D. Okay, now those children want to ask anything. Yes? Anubhav?
Miss, good morning, Miss.
Beta, good.
Miss, the exams will be held in school.
If suppose government is ordering us to call the children to the school, so we can call. We will call.
Miss, when we will get the notification?
Notification. Beta, till 20, I guess you will get.
Okay, Miss.
Okay. Yes, Janvi Nigam. Janvi, you are very busy.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning. You are too busy.
No, miss, my brother was disturbing me.
Okay. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
My voice is not clear. It is
Yes, ma'am.
okay. It is clear, beta. Varuna and Karan both are showing thumbs up. Okay, Geetika also, Lavanya also. Many children are showing. If my voice is not clear, so please change your place. Yes, Shambhavi.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Good morning.
Miss, you have told the meaning of due to extra. Can you again?
Beta, your voice is not clear.
Miss, your voice is not coming.
Beta, your voice is not clear. Namita.
Miss, what will be the determiner for entrepreneur?
Again.
Miss, what determiner we will use for entrepreneur?
For entertainers.
Miss, I don't know, but it means businessman or businesswoman, entrepreneur.
Okay, entrepreneurship, that one only.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, suppose many are there, if it is showing indefinite, so as it is started with, the spelling is this. So for this, as it is started with E and it is giving the pronunciation of A. So we use N, but if we denote toward the definite one, to the particular one, so for that we use instead of N, that time we use O. It depends on the sense.
Okay, Miss. Thank you.
Yes, Gaurav?
Miss, till when our copies will be submitted?
Till 2022.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, beta. Yes, Shambhavi, again.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning.
Miss, you have told the meaning of prose. What is the meaning? Due to network issue, I have not heard.
Beta, prose shows the story. Okay, it is just like a story. And poetry, it is just like poem.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Riddhima? So please show your face. Yes.
we will make the man also.
Your voice is not clear.
कविता लिखो उसके बाद इतना अगर अगर
Your
एक
voice
बच्चा
is
का
not
चित्र
clear.
बनाने नहीं आएगा तो आप सिर्फ जूता जो उसने देखो
Is she
ऊपर
asking
जूता
something
बना
to me?
हुआ है वो भी बना ठीक है चलिए मम्मी हम ये बच्चा बनाएंगे
Riddhima, your voice is not clear. Yes, Arpita.
Miss, your face is stopped.
What?
Miss, your face is stopped. Miss, it is not moving here and there. Only your voice is coming.
Okay, so maybe just because of network issue. Yes, Aditi.
Miss, your video is blurred and your voice is not coming properly.
Beta, I think it is because of network issue from your side because many people are saying that it is clear. So if suppose to you it is not clear, so please change your place. Okay? Okay, beta. Yes, Disha.
Miss, I have raised my hand by mistake.
Okay. Yes, Manya.
Miss, I want to ask that like this on the in the worksheet one, first one that poem is there, each one is unique. So in that the first question is there like this paragraphs can also come.
Yes. If you are getting poetry, if you are getting comprehension in poetry, so it will come in this form. Most 99.99% it will come in this form only. Okay. Now in higher classes, whenever you get comprehension, so the chances of getting poetry is much. Okay. Now on Friday I will explain this poem. Each one is unique. It is so nice poem. I think many of you know.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it is so nice. It is just based on moral sense or everyone is unique. Okay. Yes, Anmol.
Hello, good morning, Miss.
Very good morning.
Miss, I want to ask that. Miss, I don't want to ask about comprehension this lesson. I want to ask about one word. Like a word is there, realization, realisation. But sometimes we use in place of S we use Z. Then why we use that? Sometimes we use S. Sometimes we use Z.
There. Okay, beta. You asked means for some word in some word we use S. In some word we use Z like this.
Yes, ma'am.
So sometimes the meaning is sometimes the word is behaving like a noun. If suppose you are getting S, so it may behave like a noun. If you are getting Z, it may behave like an adjective or verb like this. One example is here. I'll give you. And the other thing, if you are getting the thing means if you are getting anything which has American English or as well as modern English, so it shows a difference between modern English and American English.
Hello, Miss.
Hello, beta. Anmol. Arohi.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, beta.
Miss, you have given comprehension A and D to practice. Miss, we will do in it book also.
For your practice.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Varuna. Varuna. Okay. Manya. Okay, Gaurav.
Miss, I have asked my doubt.
What?
I have asked my doubt.
Okay, but you have raised your hand. Yes, Anmol.
Yes, Miss, by
Beta,
mistake.
yes. there is a difference between American English as well as in modern English. Okay. So just because of this also you will get the things like that only. If you have any examples, you can give me.
Like fertilize or fertilization also.
So beta, it is totally fertilized. It shows the verb. Fertilization, it shows the noun. Okay, I told this. When you get this type of word, so maybe something shows adjective or verb and the other part shows noun only. Okay. Yes, Harshita.
Ma'am, good morning, ma'am. I want to ask that what you are asking now because I was disconnected since 5 minutes.
Only they were asking.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Yes, Arohi.
Miss, what Anmol was saying, Miss, civilization is also an example of that only.
She has asked, suppose if we get the word in some word S is there, in some word Z is there, but the pronunciation is same. The spelling is same except this S or Z. So she has asked like this question. She has told fertilize. So it is verb. It is an action verb. So I told that this is a
Civilization.
fertilization. It is something that shows the name of something. So it is noun.
And Miss, civilization?
What?
Civilization.
Civilization is when you frame from adjective from noun to adjective or adjective to noun, so you will get civilization. So that is also noun. Okay. I think in some chapter, I think there is a chapter in third semester we will cover that. This type of question we are getting in this chapter. In third semester we'll get. So children, now on next day, yes, Varuna. Yes, Varuna.
Miss, you told about the marks of comprehension.
Yes,
Miss,
it is 15 marks.
Miss, what you told that 5 into 3?
What?
Miss, you told that in marks of comprehension you have written on the board 5 into 3.
Because it will provide you 15 marks. You will get 5 questions. Each question will give you 3 marks. Yes, ROE, see on page number 71. Okay, so 13 number, civilize is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Noun is civilization. Did you get? This chapter I told that we will cover in third or second semester.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Okay, children. So in the next class, firstly I'll explain you the poem. It is not the part of English language, but that is so nice poem. That's why I want to explain it. Okay. And please complete all the works in all the subject. Whether today you are not getting anything in English one, but suppose in math you got something, so please don't forget to cover that thing. Complete your copy in a good way only. And please start revising all the chapters for the purpose of examination. Okay. So thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care, everyone.
Thank you.